Okay then guys, 2 seconds, let's put that off. Okay then guys, so we are currently in the Hoover Factory Offices. Can you see me guys? We are currently in the Hoover Factory Offices. It's due to be demolished, so we thought let's get in here a bit quick before this whole thing just plummets to the ground and have a quick look. I'm out of breath now, just climbing, my god. So catch you in a second guys, enjoy, bye bye. So by the looks of things guys, we are currently in the toilet area. What is this? We're in part of, I'm guessing this is the office block guys, to be quite honest with you. There's the reception by there. My god, it's trashed, isn't it? It's trashed. There we are, you can see this place is like awesomely falling apart, which is like stupid. Look at that. Everything is just being brought down. We've got so, like, I'm guessing that was a safe, no? Yeah, just the reception, there's the main office, doors. Let's have a look over here, is it? So you've got the lift for there, which goes down into the basement, which is like the car park, if you want to put it that way. You've got disabled toilets and ladies' toilets, which all look sketchily fucked. Yeah, very small toilet cubicle area. Someone's been watching porn, and looking at porn, funny enough. Yeah, guys, can you see it? Yep, I'm gonna have to blur that one out. Family channel, guys, just to remind you that. Obviously the cubicles, there's a bit of toilet roll left there. I don't know why they're demolishing this building. It looks like it was in half decent condition before people started to get in here and kill it all. Let's keep on going in. Emergency exits. We just come through there, didn't we? So let's go through there. Okay, it looks dark guys, but it's actually not too bad. Actually not too bad. Looks like some sort of briefcasey thing. Looks like one of the carry-on cases, or even a drone bag. That's what it looks like. Okay, so we've got some filing cabinets. It'd be cool if we found like some sort of date. So, yeah, suspicion, all good guys. It's an office. Got filing cabinets, folders everywhere. Definitely folders and file cabinets. Quite big, to be quite honest with you guys, and this is the bottom floor as well, which is funny. Do you think this is their main offices before they upgraded?
Yeah.
It's gotta be, haven't it? It's gotta be. Filing cabinets everywhere. Everywhere. Got some electrical stuff as well. All electrical stuff. Nothing left in the file cabinet still guys. Nothing left whatsoever. This is big. Fair play. It's big. Good natural light as well. Loads of insulation. It's probably like asbestos as well, so we'll have to make it quick. Some old office chairs. Yeah, it's probably like their call centre, this was, to be quite honest with you. It's got to be, hasn't it? Yeah, just empty rooms. Okay, so it's an environmental laboratory. Yeah, definitely. So this is obviously a lab then, guys. So I could expect that there's lots of tables on the outskirts, all of here, with lab equipment on, testing what Hoover Factory built as such. It's all carpeted as well, which is just carpet. It's quite drafty now that we've this place has got no windows. It's all been covered up with bars and stuff like that, so just quite drafty. Bit of graffiti everywhere though, guys. Bit of graffiti. So by the looks of things, we're out the front now where the main car park is. Fire extinguisher up on the wall. That makes no sense, shouldn't it be lower than that? Sorry if it's a bit windy, guys. I'm right by an open window at the moment. Let's get out of this room, it's a bit windy. It's windy all through this place actually. So what do you think of it so far? Good. Yeah, it's looks like jail cells, man. Look at the bars on the windows, a lot. Okay, moving on. So we're back into the main room now. Christmas card box on the floor. Is there any documentation?
Yeah,
we got some book with some numbers down there. Old ass telephone. Look at that. That's old. But I know a lot of offices still use that old stuff.
Oh.
What have we got? Have we got any dates on it?
I got my glasses.
Right. Field, trial and SKTs. Floor sockets, nothing date-wise on it.
That folder's got stuff in it.
Is it? Be cool if we can get a decent date, wouldn't it? What have we got? So obviously this is a receptionist in here, just got a lot of names and addresses. It's no good. I don't know, I think we'll move on, we'll have a look elsewhere now. There's bound to be some sort of date digit in here. Maybe look at this. What's that? Have you seen my dog? Hopefully he won't ring the police. Okay then guys, into the next room now. It's big ass rooms, fair play. Big ass rooms. When it comes to airbags, and I think there should be like a national code to let other airbagers know that that's who you are. So we're going to have a look at the second floor now, guys. There seems to be other people on site. Hopefully they're airbaggers and they're not dodgy. So we shall see, guys. We shall see. We are currently going up. Let's have a look what we can find. There seems to be 2 other people on site. Not sure if they're airbaggers, but we're going to stay clear of them. They've asked if we've seen their dog, which is a very weird question to ask 2 people looking at an abandoned building. Okay. So this place is wrecked, guys. Graffiti everywhere. But wrecked. Look at that, it's just completely wrecked. Oh look at this roof access bit. I don't think I trust going on that roof though. No chance. I would not trust it. I wouldn't trust that roof whatsoever. Bearing in mind all the other roofs are dropping at the moment. What do you reckon? I ain't going that on there, just in case. Hopefully not. Let's go. To be honest, I'll cut this out. To be honest, the one of them's carrying quite a big duffel bag, so I got a feeling they're a bit homeless and they're just looking for somewhere to get down and smoke. There we go, guys. So we're on the second floor still, so it's a big ass place. There's more offices. I'm guessing by how much wiring is dangling from the ceiling in certain areas. This was one of the work areas where they I got a feeling it was like a call centre, some of the upper floors. It's just huge, isn't it? Huge. Nice place though. There's more paperwork. Let's have a look what it says. Any dates? So it's obviously about the electronics that they sell. Obviously all the pikeys have been up here recently, and look at all the wiring. So obviously I'm guessing these were all the bigger heads' offices, and obviously in here I'm guessing it's full of tables with telephones and computers. It's got to be, haven't it? I'm surprised not to see any desks left though, so obviously they've either moved them to new locations or they've just been stolen or broken up. And no, mate, the question to your answer downstairs, I have not seen your dog. To be quite honest, you can keep your dog to yourself. What we've got in here, just another blank room, bit of graffiti. It's just cool. Like, it might not be much to look at, but looking at the decay and the damage to this place and the graffiti as well, it's just quite amazing. Yeah, and that's the walkway, guys, from this office over to the factory, which is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. And we're going to carry on going up. I think this is the last level now. This is the last level. All the windows are smashed in either side. So I think we should carry on straight through. It's just damaged, isn't it? It's just damaged beyond repair. Not even worth saving anymore. Not even worth saving. But like I said, guys, this is more of wanting to look in abandoned buildings. If there's a bit of history to it, then great. But if it's just an old factory office unit like this, I know Hoover are quite a big factory unit and factory and company in general, but you know, they still got a bit of history. So it's cool to look what they've just abandoned as such. And it's nice to look at this place before it is just completely trashed and demolished. I know there's demolition signs around the site, so maybe that's what's next for this big brown building.
Where does that go?
Ooh, where does that ladder go? I wonder. Shall we be interested for just a second? There's gas pipes over there though. Yeah, we're on the last level, so that's pretty cool.
Huh?
We're on the last level.
I'm going up.
You're going up here?
Yeah.
Is it worth a look, do you think? What's up there? Oh.
Sorry, do you want me to go?
Okay guys, so we're on the roof now. We just climbed up the ladder. She's coming up. Wow, look at that. What a view.
There's another ladder going up again outside.
Quite alright. Lift mechanism, look at that. Lift mechanism. More lift mechanisms. And this is look at that guys. Amazing. Amazing. I'll look over that.
I'll go there.
Will you? There we go. It's not even on the floor, that's like on the first roof. That's pretty amazing. It's just all the pikeys have been up here guys, all the wiring is gone, all the tubing have gone. So let's head back inside. So we are down from the roof now, and on our way down I thought, is there anything else we missed? And there's just this big ass drop. Look at that, huge guys. All the way down to the bottom there. So I think we make a move away from this area. Right down, all the way out. So this is practically it guys, that's the explore done. We've done everything. So I think it's time to make a move and on to the next explore. Pretty much. Okay then guys, so on our way out we just realised we missed a spot.
That's an old McDonald's wrapper.
That is a very old McDonald's wrapper. So look at that. Oh, chicken sandwich wrapper, look at that, how old is that? Yeah guys, how old are those? Oh my god, look at that. So you've got a chicken sandwich. Never seen a wrapper like that in my life. We've got these then, which is a Hunchback of Notre Dame. God, that must have been quite old. Is there any dates on it? No, 1996. McDonald's wrapper, Coke or whatever was in it. That's pretty funky. That's old as shit. How amazing is that? Old as shit. 1996 wrappers. Well, there we go. Let's go. Okay then guys, so Hoover Factory is done. I'm glad to be out of here. Climb through the forest. My god, this place is huge guys. I would recommend trying to get in and having a look before it gets knocked down. I got a feeling it's going to be knocked down pretty soon. As you can tell, they're starting to knock down the other parts of the factory. So get in there whilst you can if any urbexers want to have a look. And I shall see you again soon guys. We're off to the next location now, so that should be 3 locations put up over the space of 3 weeks. So keep an eye out guys. So we've just done, first to go up is a World War II bunker, nuclear bunker type thing, on the edge of Cardiff and Caerphilly type of thing. And then this beautiful place behind me, big huge place, so have a check at that. And then third, you'll have to wait and see. So thank you for watching guys. My name's Josh, I'm Welsh Hunter, Gaming and Vlogs. I'm with this beautiful person by here, Ash. She's just chilling out, Ash is, taking some photos, so check out her Instagram, which I'll put in the comment section as well. And so thanks for watching guys. Please like, subscribe and comment. Let me know what other types of places you want me to do, and I'll see you later guys. That place is amazing. See you later.